dashcam front rear is a dual-lens dashcam that offers a number of features that make it a great choice for anyone looking to record their driving. 4K front camera. The front camera records video in 4K resolution, which provides clear and detailed images. 1080p rear camera. The rear camera records video in 1080p resolution, which is still good quality. Night vision. Both cameras have night vision that allows them to see clearly in low light conditions. Loop recording. The dashcam will automatically overwrite old footage with new footage to save space. G-sensor. The G-sensor will automatically save footage if the dashcam is hit in an accident. Parking mode. The dashcam will continue to record even when the car is turned off in parking mode. The REDTIGER dashcam front rear performs well in all areas. The video quality is excellent, the night vision is clear, and the loop recording feature is convenient. The G-sensor and parking mode are also useful features that can be helpful in the event of an accident. About this item: 4K plus 1080p dual recording. REDTIGER brings to you f7np dual dashcam, which records video of up to Ultra HD 4K 3840*2160p plus FHD 1080p resolutions. It helps you to read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degree and rear wide angle of 140 degree. This helps you during unexpected circumstances like collision to retain and present evidence. Superior night vision. The driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture important details clearly under low light conditions. Wi-Fi/smart app control. You just need to connect the dashcam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage the dashcam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit videos in the app. By just one click, you can share your travel scenery and wonderful moments with your friends and family. Dashcam with GPS. This dashcam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPS player, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Reliable features for accident recording. Even when the card is full, the dashcam will continue recording with its loop recording feature. As soon as the G-sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision video. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor available on the dashcam to record continuously for 24 hours with time-lapse function at parking mode. Please note that a hardware kit is needed. Super after sales. Our greatest pursuit is to satisfy the needs of consumers. This dashcam is backed by full 1-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Email our customer service and we will answer any of your questions/concerns. We offer 7x24 hours technical support. Pros: 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, night vision, loop recording, G-sensor, parking mode. Cons: can be a bit expensive. The rear camera could be better. The REDTIGER dashcam front rear is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality dashcam with a number of useful features. It offers excellent video quality, clear night vision, and a number of features that can be helpful in the event of an accident. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.